Hey friends, today we learn how to save TikTok draft videos to gallery. For that, first of all, open TikTok. Then click on profile icon in the lower corner. Here you see the draft TikTok. Simply click on. Then once again click on video. There is no option available to directly download TikTok draft. You can only do one thing. For download this video, simply click on next. Then here you see the privacy, simply change it from everyone to private. Only me. Then click on post. When the TikTok video post, simply click on profile. Click on lock icon. Here you see your TikTok, simply click on. Then click on three dots. Then click on save video. That's how you can save TikTok draft video to your gallery. If you like our video, please subscribe.